Don't forget to subscribe!
Unlock the power of raw garlic, a must-watch guide. Imagine a world where a simple kitchen ingredient could revolutionize your health. In the bustling markets and serene kitchens worldwide, one unassuming hero emerges with the power to transform lives: raw garlic. This pungent, earthy bulb, often relegated to the role of a flavor enhancer, is a powerhouse of health benefits. From fighting bacteria to warding off diseases, raw garlic is not just a food, it's a miracle worker. In this comprehensive guide, we delve deep into the world of raw garlic, exploring its myriad benefits and providing practical tips on how to incorporate it into your daily diet. Brace yourself for an enlightening journey into the heart of holistic health. Garlic, with its roots deeply entrenched in history, has been a staple in the medicinal and culinary practices of civilizations across the globe. From the ancient Egyptians to modern-day herbalists, garlic has been revered not just for its robust flavor, but for its medicinal properties as well. This essay aims to peel back the layers of this common yet extraordinary ingredient, revealing the compelling reasons to include raw garlic in your diet. Here, we begin our exploration of garlic, setting the stage for a detailed discussion on its numerous health benefits. Garlic owes much of its health-promoting properties to allicin, an active compound that forms when garlic is crushed or chopped. Unlike its cooked counterpart, raw garlic maintains higher levels of allicin, providing more potent medicinal benefits. This section delves into the biochemistry of garlic, explaining how the transformation of allicin enhances its disease-fighting capabilities, making a strong case for consuming garlic in its raw form to fully harness its potential. Numerous studies have linked the consumption of raw garlic with heart health improvements, such as reduced blood pressure and cholesterol levels. Garlic acts as a natural blood thinner, which helps in preventing the formation of blood clots, thus reducing the risk of heart attacks and strokes. This part of the essay explores the specific mechanisms through which garlic contributes to heart health and discusses scientific evidence supporting these effects. Emerging research suggests that garlic might play a role in cancer prevention, particularly in cancers of the stomach, colon, and esophagus. The compounds in garlic have been found to inhibit the growth of cancer cells through multiple pathways, including enhancing the body's mechanism for repairing DNA. This section examines various studies and scientific data to unpack garlic's potential as a complementary therapy in cancer prevention. Garlic is a powerhouse when it comes to boosting the immune system. Its broad-spectrum antimicrobial properties help in fighting off infections, while its immune-modulating effects strengthen the body's defense mechanisms. This part discusses how incorporating raw garlic into your diet, especially during flu season, can be a natural way to boost your immune health, supported by personal anecdotes and case studies. Garlic's ability to fight a wide array of pathogens is one of its most impressive qualities. From bacteria to viruses and fungi, garlic has demonstrated significant antimicrobial activities, which are particularly important in the era of rising antibiotic resistance. This section details the specific pathogens that garlic can combat and discusses its role as a natural antimicrobial agent in various health scenarios. Chronic inflammation is at the root of many modern diseases, including arthritis, heart disease, and certain cancers. Garlic contains several sulfur compounds that have potent anti-inflammatory properties, helping to reduce inflammation at the cellular level. This part of the essay explores the anti-inflammatory effects of garlic and how they can benefit individuals suffering from chronic inflammatory conditions. While garlic is generally beneficial for health, it can sometimes cause digestive distress, especially when consumed in large amounts. This section provides a balanced view of garlic's effects on the gastrointestinal system, including its benefits for gut health and advice on how to minimize any potential adverse effects on digestion. Garlic is not only good for preventing disease, it also helps the body detoxify. Rich in sulfur, garlic supports the liver in its detoxification pathways, helping to clear toxins from the body. This section delves into the role of garlic in liver health and overall detoxification, including practical tips on using garlic to support these processes. Garlic's benefits extend beyond internal health to include skincare. Its antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties make it a valuable component in treating acne and other skin conditions. Today, we'll discuss how to use garlic in DIY skincare remedies and explore the potential benefits for improving skin health. Recent studies suggest that garlic could have protective effects on brain health, potentially reducing the risk of neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. Garlic's antioxidant properties may help in preventing oxidative stress, a major factor in cognitive decline. In this section, we'll examine the evidence supporting garlic's role in maintaining brain health and enhancing cognitive functions. Garlic could also be a useful aid in weight management. Its potential effects on metabolism and appetite could help regulate body weight. This part explores how garlic influences metabolic functions and discusses its use as a supportive tool for weight loss. Incorporating raw garlic into your diet can be challenging due to its strong flavor. This section offers practical culinary tips for adding raw garlic to meals without overwhelming the palate. It includes recipes and preparation methods that help mitigate the harshness while retaining the health benefits. Despite its many benefits, there are several myths surrounding the consumption of garlic. This part addresses these misconceptions, provides scientific clarifications, and sets realistic expectations for the health benefits that garlic can offer. We have peeled back the layers of garlic, revealing not just a flavorful food ingredient, but a potent medicinal ally. This closing section summarizes the key points discussed throughout the essay and reflects on the transformative potential that incorporating raw garlic into one's diet can have on overall health. Emphasizing garlic's role in a balanced diet, we conclude with a call to embrace this powerful natural remedy in our daily